Hello, welcome back to my channel. Here, I want to make a tutorial to change the hard disk, or storage file systems, from FAT32 to NTFS. First, you have to enter the command prompt, by shortcut the Windows key plus R. Then, type cmd. After entering into cmd, you type what I have included on the screen at this time. Then, press enter, and here you type again what I have displayed on the screen. Then, press enter. Here, my view is just like this because I have converted it first. And, if you haven't converted it, will display a lot of numbers. After it feels done, you can close the command prompt again. And, you can check whether this method works or not. If the file system has changed to NTFS, it means you have succeeded. Just like this from me. I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.